Want to start hydroponic gardening? You can begin indoor growing with minimum effort and limited space. Get yourself a convenient hydroponic box and make your dream valid. The best grow box for beginners will guarantee indoor growing success. Hello friends, are you looking for the best grow boxes? Then you are welcome our RS Store channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best grow boxes that are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Vivison Mylar Hydroponic Grow Tent. This hydroponic grow tent, unfortunately, doesn't come with absolutely everything you could ever need, but it's also one of the least expensive marijuana grow tents you can buy. It creates the perfect conditions for growing cannabis, and it's also relatively large, so you can grow more plants. This product has a reflective mylar interior to help improve your efficiency in growing weed. It reduces light leakage and comes with an observation window, so you don't have to open the door, disrupting your plant growth, to see what's going on. It's almost completely automatic and comes with an inside tool organizer and a removable floor tray. Everything is taken care of for you. Keeps all light in. Vivison Hydroponic Mylar Grow Tent blocks all light from escaping and is lined with 100% reflective mylar to boost the output efficiency of your setup. No need for additional flaps or tape, just zipper the black lining to create a light-proof seal. Extra thick, stands sturdy, supported with strong metal poles, the top quality 340 grams. The Oxford fabric tent is tear-proof and double-stitched for perfect light blockage, while the inside is lined with non-toxic PE material that's safer for your plants. Pros. Comes with a removable cleanup tray. Inside tool organizer included. Affordable option. Cons. Not an all-in-one grow tent. Number 2. Mylar Hydroponic Grow Tent Grow Room. This small indoor grow tent is one of the best for concealing your growing activities. Really more of a single plant grow tent, this product is easy to assemble and comes with multiple vents to improve aeration. It even has a viewing window so you can see what's going on with your plants without having to damage them with white light. You can purchase this hydroponic grow tent in multiple sizes, making it easy for you to figure out which unit will work best for you. 99% of the outside light is blocked from your plants, so all of your LED light is reflected back toward your plant and will not escape. It's a great value if you're looking for a starter marijuana grow box to try. About these products. Light-proof our growing tent blocks all light escaping. On the interior, a 99% reflective mylar lining gives an efficient lighting setups of any power configuration. Durability metal bars and metal connectors. Strong metal poles with an easy click connector system. Our grow tent stands solidly. The 600D material is tear-proof and stitched for perfect light blocking. 99% light-proof and fully sealed unit once closed. Viewing window. The window on the front is a really nice addition cause it amplifies your plant's energy store by filtering out white light. So you can check your plants without affecting your plants. You can't peek in without having to open the whole thing. Updated on Mar 9-17. Number 3. Spider Farmer Grow Tent Kit Complete. The Spider Farmer Grow Tent Kit Complete is known for being one of the industry's best indoor plant growing kits. A trusted name, the Spider Farmer Premium Complete Kit features one of the most respected and powerful LED grow lights on the market that provides for optimal growth. This kit comes with all of the essentials you may need, whether you are just starting out as a cannabis grower or if you are looking to get the most out of your growing experience and a head start on growing without the headache of having to find all the essential equipment a piece at a time. Besides the amazing grow light, this kit comes with a quiet but powerful 4-in-line fan, RC412 Australian charcoal carbon filter, flex aluminum ducting combo, thermometer and hygrometer, 5-gallon grow bags, trellis plant netting, timer, adjustable rope clip hanger, and most importantly, the Spider Farmer Grow Tent made from heavy-duty 600D Oxford cloth and 100% reflective mylar interior. There really isn't much more you would need that isn't already included in this kit, making it a great choice for an overall complete grow tent kit. Pros. One of the premier grow tent manufacturers. Combo package that saves money. Powerful LED light included. Cons. May be expensive. Number 4. Topagro LED Grow Tent Complete Kit. Many different characteristics distinguish Topagro tents apart from other plant boxes. One of its notable features is the fan and filter combo, which is made from a mixture of the thick carbon layer and zinc anodized steel mesh. Hence, this unit enables you to achieve 100% filtered airflow in the ventilation system, securing its spot as one of the best marijuana grow boxes. The unit is equipped with a smart system that absorbs any unwanted odor inside the tent, making itself more discreet for regular gardeners. The tent is said to be sturdy since it is made from heavy-duty materials such as highly reflective waterproof diamond mylar, 600D lightproof Oxford cloth, massive heavy-duty zippers, and comes with double stitching for leaks protection. On top of that, this tent comes with a full-spectrum design, allowing gardeners to grow plants at any point from the germination period. Partnered with a durable grow tent and exterior shell, this weed grow box is genuinely magnificent. Pros: excellent ventilation system. Comes with a leak protection unit. Convertible light height. Cons: can hold only specific plant types. Number 5. AeroSpring Vertical Hydroponics Indoor Growing System. Indoor gardening with a quality grow box is great, but investing in aeroponic technology systems is more incredible. This AeroSpring model measures 33.86 x 29.13 x 78.74 in dimensions, hence sufficient to grow up to 27 plants at a go. The grow box is tried, tested, and found to offer a perfect performance and still takes a small space. It is the best stealth grow box for beginners with everything required to raise your plants to maturity. Among the many features included in the kit box are professional-grade LED grow light and ventilation management property. The honeycomb-shaped grow tent offers a fantastic adventure for the whole family to discover the joy of their crop gardening. The hydroponics system is a 2-in-1 convertibility option for growing herbs, vegetables, and spice crops in a compact space. Your plant will never need sunlight as the grow box comes with an Oxford D600 tent with highly polished reflective interior panels. Based in Singapore, the manufacturer uses excellent quality materials that adhere to strict environmental statutory standards. All these factors assure the consumers that it is indeed durable and the best marijuana grow box. Pros: attractive 2-in-1 convertible design. Clear setup instructions. Adheres to strict environmental standards. Cons: not ideal for plants with a long root system. I hope you liked this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like, share and comment on the video. Please enable your notifications bell icon so that you don't miss the next videos. You can check the price or purchase link in the description below.